Hello everyone, today is time to make something sweet. So I will show you how you can make delicious pistachio profiteroles at home. So let's do it. So I start with my show pastry. First of all, I mix water, milk and butter inside a pan and bring it to boil. I put also sugar and pinch of salt, and last is coming in plain flour. Now you have to roast it for few minutes, and the last are coming eggs in. Here is very important to put eggs one by one and always combine them properly, otherwise your mix gets split. And now just put dough inside a piping bag and make some dots with size you like. Before you put them inside the oven, make sure you push the tips down with your wet fingers so they don't burn. And you wanna bake them 180 degrees Celsius 15 to 20 minutes, depend of your size. Next, I will do pistachio custard for my filling. So first, I mix milk and vanilla extract inside a pan and bring it to boil. Then, I mix egg yolks with sugar inside the bowl. Whisk it properly, and then is coming corn flour in. And now, just mix hot milk inside the eggs very slowly. And if you like today's recipe guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're a food lover, I recommend you to subscribe this channel so you can learn to cook something new every week. In this moment, move your mix back inside the pan and cook it slowly until you get nice thick custard. And last thing I put in is pistachio paste. Move it to any container, put cling film on the top and leave it to cool it down inside the fridge. Now I melt 100 grams of dark chocolate on bain-marie and mix it with 50 grams of double cream. Last thing I have to do is to peel some pistachios and blend them inside the machine so I get smaller pieces. And in this time, I got everything ready, so let's complete it. First, I put cold pistachio custard inside the profiteroles and then cover the top with my melted chocolate. Last thing, I put some pistachios on the top and my profiteroles are done. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you wanna learn more about fine dining cooking at home, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.